Hai guys, Assalamualaikum brothers and sisters, rekan-rekan adik-adik pelajar pemula semuanya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you about nouns and modifiers. What are we going to talk about? Di antaranya adalah modifying nouns with adjective and nouns. Okay, word order of adjective. Expressions of quantity, all of, most of, some of. Okay, and then expressions of quantity, subject verb agreement, and then expressions of quantity, one of, none of, indefinite pronouns, nothing and no one, indefinite pronouns, something, someone, anything, using every, linking verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Oke, apa ini truck? Ini apakah nouns atau adjective, kata benda atau kata sifat? Oke, alright, noun. Delicious. Apakah noun or adjective? Ya, adjective. Interesting. Noun apa adjective? Adjective. I bought an old book. Jadi kalau dalam bahasa Inggris itu, jadi adjective duluan, modifying nouns with adjective ya. I bought an old book. Nah, jadi saya membeli sebuah buku tua. Old book. Okay. Adjective to nouns. Jadi menerangkan benda. Okay. Modifying nouns with adjective. Ini noun to noun. Modifying nouns with adjective, berfungsi sebagai adjective ya. I bought a science book. Nouns, ya kan? We went to a dress shop. Ini noun, ya kan? A dress shop. We went to a dress shop, itu salah karena pakai S. Oke, salah itu ya. Noun as adjective. Jadi fungsi noun sebagai adjective. Ya. Saya membeli sebuah buku sains. Jadi noun menerangkan nouns. I bought a thick science book. Ini adjective, noun ya. Saya membeli sebuah buku tebal sains. Oke. Ini salah ya. The young girl is swimming. Youngnya adjective, girlnya nouns ya. Oke. I put a copy cup away. Kita harus tahu mana verbnya, mana nouns, mana sebagai adjective dia di situ ya. Coffee, nouns ya. Oke, calf, noun juga. Nice itu ada adjective. Wait, waiter, noun, ya kan? Oke, nice weather get me verb ya. Cold itu adalah noun, adjective seperti itu ya. Adjective, soda, nouns, menerangkan nouns. Okay, a large red car. Oke, sebuah, kita kalau diterjemahkan ini, sebuah mobil merah besar. Jadi dibalik, bahasa Inggris itu dibalik. Tidak bisa, sebuah besar, merah, mobil. Jadi terbalik, sebuah mobil merah besar. Two adjective di sini. Berarti dia berfungsi urutan dari adjective itu adalah large dulu, baru color ya. Oke. Kalau yang seperti ini gimana? Ya, that's wrong. Oke. Mesti dia yang besar dulu, size dulu, baru color. Large, red ya. Urutannya seperti itu. Order of adjective, urutan adjektifnya. A wonderful old car. A delicious red apple. Okay, a good Italian pizza. Okay, a wonderful old car. Sebuah mobil tua luar biasa, wonderful. A delicious red apple. Okay, a good Italian pizza. Okay. Age, color, nationality, opinion. Ini opinion adjective, dangerous. Opinion adjective ya. Ini bentuk adjective, dirty, expensive, favorite, good, happy, honest important, interesting, strong, wonderful. Itu disebut dengan adjective atau opinion adjective. Many others adjective lagi. Tapi yang umum ini dangerous ya. Ini perlu kita pahami ini bagian dari adjective. Word order of adjective. Usual order of adjective. Nah, ini yang biasa, nice, funny, handsome, tasty, thin, little, big, short, ya, young, old, ancient, gray, pink, white, itu masuk adjective itu. French, Korean, Italian, gold, thin, marbles, ya, itu adalah usual order of adjective, artinya urutan-urutan adjective atau bagian kelompok adjective. A funny little story, sebuah cerita kecil lucu, dibalik ini, ya kan? A tasty pink grapefruit, okay. A nice French gold necklace, okay, yang indah. Ini kalung emas Prancis yang indah, okay. Mulai dari sebelah kanan. A nice French gold necklace, bukan menerjemahnya dari sini, tapi dari sini. Okay, a big ancient white Italian marble statue. Okay. Pictures, a lovely new glasses pictures. Okay. A cute little yellow. Bagaimana kita menerjemahnya? Ya, apa yang saya katakan tadi, kita menerjemahnya tidak bisa dari sini, ya, tapi menerjemahnya dari ujung sini. Ya, oke. Sebuah anak ayam kuning kecil yang imut, ya. I love the Chinese porcelain vase. Darren likes all of his classes. Nah, ini dalam pengungkapan quantity, ya, dalam bahasa Inggris all of. Kalau semuanya, ini all of, semua kamu, all of you, semua kamu. Tapi kalau hampir semua, itu dalam bahasa Inggrisnya most of, hampir semua, most of. Tapi lebih sedikit, ya, sedikit yang kita maksud itu adalah orang atau benda, some of. Nah, ini yang kita maksud ini, some of. Sementara most of, ini yang kita maksud ini. Banyak most of, some of. Okay. Hamid likes almost all of his classes. Dia suka semuanya, ya. Okay, almost all of. Berarti ada yang di kalau sini almost all of us, hanya ada yang dia tidak suka. Okay, some of this shape are hard. Berarti sedikit cuman, ya, yang mengenai hati. This shape bentuk hati. Ialah sedikit 3 cuman, lainnya enggak. Okay. Most of these shapes are green. Most of, hampir berarti most, ya, green semua kan? Okay, green. Almost all of the kitten are looking up. Almost, hampir semua, hampir semua melihat, ya kan? Kitten are looking up. Almost semua, ya. Almost all, hampir semua. All of your homework is correct. All of your homework is correct. Jadi all of singular, noun, singular verb. Okay. All of those dogs are friendly. Jadi all of plural nouns, dognya plural verb, friendly, are, ya, friendly. Some of his house is messy. Some itu diikuti oleh singular noun, house 1, maka dia menggunakan is singular verb. Some of my dogs, dogs-nya adalah plural nouns, jadi are dia verbnya. All of your homework is, jadi karena homework ya singular. Dogs, all of those dogs are. Some of his house is, jadi yang mengikutinya yang penting. Dogs are, some of my dogs are. Jadi common expressions of quantity, all of, almost of, all of, a lot of, half of, most of, some of. Jadi tergantung yang mengikutinya. Ya, some of, all of your homework, meskipun all tapi yang mengikutinya homework singular maka singular ya. All of those dogs, yang mengikuti dogs-nya banyak makanya plural ya. Seperti ini. Okay, all of this paper, paper. Okay, satu cuman makanya dia is, meskipun dikatakan all situ. Jadi yang mengikuti tergantung. Some of this food, yang mengikuti food. Jadi apa jawabannya? Alright, singular karena food. Ya, almost all of my cookbooks. Apa jawabannya? Ya, are karena yang mengikutinya books-nya banyak, bukan almost all-nya, almost all-nya. Tazo is one of our classmates. Okay, classmates. Tazo is one of our classmates. Dia classmates, dia tulisannya bentuknya pakai S. Tazo is one of our classmates, bukan classmate tapi classmates. One of plural noun. One of our classmates is sick. Ada yang mengatakan classmates singular is ya. One of classmates are sick. That's wrong. Ya. Karena singular. One of plural noun subject singular verb. Maka dia menggunakan singular verb. Okay, none of our classmates was sick. None of our classmates were sick. None of, both correct. Kedua-duanya benar. Okay, based on Betty's grammar Azhar. One of the cats is not looking up. Nah, one of the cats is not, yang tidak melihat. Cats. Meskipun one of the cats-nya banyak. Nah, tapi kok singular is ya? Yang dimaksud itu adalah one of the cats, salah satu. Ya, is not looking up. One of my classes was. Meskipun classes itu lebih dari satu, tapi yang dimaksud itu adalah one of my classes, one of. Jadi maknanya singular. Boring last week. Ya. One of my classes was boring last week. None of my friends, yang mengikutinya friends banyak. Walaupun banyak, yang menggunakan was, none of. None of, karena maknanya itu, none of my friends. None of my friends. Yeah. Here last week. We didn't do anything yesterday. Nothing yesterday. Yeah, we didn't do nothing yesterday. Kenapa? Karena nothing sama dengan didn't. Ya, we didn't do anything yesterday. We did nothing. Itu baru betul kalimatnya ya. Nah, ini we didn't do anything, okay? Atau we did nothing yesterday. Bukan we didn't do nothing. That's wrong. Louis didn't know anyone in this town. Okay. Kembali, Louis didn't know no one in this town. That's wrong. Indefinite pronouns nothing and no one, okay? We didn't do anything yesterday. We did nothing yesterday. Louis didn't know anyone in this town. Louis knew no one in this town. Negative verb, anything, anyone. We didn't do anything yesterday. We did nothing yesterday. Louis didn't know anyone in this town. Louis knew no one in this town. So negative verb to anything, anyone. Okay. Positive verb, nothing, no one. Okay. What's your answer? Okay, right. I know nothing about Roman culture. What's your answer? All right, I don't know anything about Roman culture. What's the answer? Okay, right. I don't know anyone in this class. Sometimes I think that no one likes me. I want something new to wear. Okay, I want something new to wear. I met someone from Uzbekistan. I don't have anything new to wear. Negatifnya tambah didn't meet anyone at school. I didn't meet anyone at school. Kalau bertanya, do you need something? Do you need anything? Do you meet someone at school? Do you meet anyone at school? Okay, now practice again. I found someone to go skating with you. Okay, he cooked something delicious for dinner. Okay, what's your answer? All right, is there anyone atau someone you want to call? Sekarang kita menggunakan every class. Every class. Every itu singular, has teacher. All of the classes. All of the classes have. Berarti banyak maknanya have. Maka have. Every itu adalah singular. Every of. Maknanya sama. Everyone has feelings. Everybody has feelings. The same meaning. Everyone seolah-olah banyak tapi adalah singular. Everybody singular. Everyone, everybody singular. I studied everything that teachers get us. Everything is thing. Everything looks. Everything itu sepertinya banyak tapi singular. Looks. Okay, everything singular. Okay, practice all of the. What's your answer? All right, games. Yeah, all of the games you taught me are fun. Games. Games itu adalah plural games. Everyone says, singular everyone-nya, says that this is a great school. What's the answer? Do all of these new cell phones have, phones adalah plural, have strong signals? The wedding was lovely. Wedding, singular ya, wedding. The wedding was lovely. Be adjective. The band sounded traffic. Ini linking verb. Sounds traffic, kelihatan cantik ya. Taste, the food tasted delicious. The bucket smelled fresh. Everyone felt happy. Common linking verb: look, smells, feels, taste. Okay. Sounds. Ini namanya sebut linking verb, kata kerja penghubung ya. The bridge look beautiful. Kelihatannya cantik ya. Okay. What's your answer? Marisa feels sick. Okay, what's your answer? John got a great new job. He feels happy. All of these things look delicious. Things look, plural ya. Katya is a slow reader. Adjective to noun. Adjective to noun. Ada is a slow reader. Slow itu adjective. Reader, orangnya. Verb action. Ada reads slowly. Akan berbeda lagi. Ada reads slowly sebagai adverb dia. Ya, adverb action. Adjective noun sebagai adjective terhadap noun. Ini yang sebelahnya sebagai adverb. Oke, adjective adverb. Careful sebagai adjective dia. Hati-hati. Dengan hati-hati adverb sebagai adverb keterangan waktu. Slow menjadi slowly. Satu sebagai adjektif, satu menjadi adverb. Sebagai kata sifat, satu sebagai keterangan waktu cara. Okay. Quick, quickly. Easy, easily. Dengan mudah. Okay. Adjective and verb ya. Fast, fast. Hard, hard. Early, early, early. Late, late. Nah, adjektif ini ada yang bisa menjadi adverb langsung, tulisan sama, tapi fungsinya sebagai adverbs. Dengan cepat, dengan keras, ya, early, dengan lebih awal, dengan late. Low is a good runner. Oke, adjektif low runs well sebagai adverb ya. Well-nya. Okay, let's practice. What's the answer? I can see. Ya, clearly. Clearly. Saya bisa melihat dengan jelas. Clearly dengan jelas. Cara ya. Jadi clearly itu adverb cara. It's a clear day. Nah, itu sebagai adjektif ya. When you study enough, exams are easy. Dengan mudah. Berarti sebagai adverb. Everyone should be careful. Adjective. When they drive. Everyone should drive carefully. Sebagai adverb dari situ. Sama-sama careful, tapi yang satu lagi adalah cara. Adverb.